Welcome to Techamuna.com video reviews. Today we're looking at the Zoom suspension seat post. It's available in Shopee for about 800 to 900 pesos. I'll put an affiliate link in the description below. In the package, you'll get of course the seat post, the user manual, and an optional 27.2 to 33.9mm adapter. While searching online on a way to upgrade the seat on my folding bike, I came across a review of a suspension seat post. I was a bit hesitant at first, as most reviews have this type of seat post installed on electric bikes, so I wasn't sure how it would work on a folding bike. Anyway, after taking some measurements, I decided to take a chance. I've been using this for about 2 months now, and here are some thoughts I'd like to share with anyone thinking of getting one. First, you'll need to take measurements of your current bike's seat post and make sure you order the right size. Most folding bikes will need a 27.2 to 33.9mm adapter. Most mountain bikes have a 27.2 size. You'll also need to check if the 350mm length is the right size for your height. Again, most folding bikes have a seat post length greater than 350mm. I also need to mention that it weighs about 550 grams, which is quite heavy compared to similarly priced alloy or carbon seat posts. I also like that you can adjust the amount of suspension just by an Allen screw underneath the seat post. Now let's go to the pros and cons. For the pros, it's a good option for bikes without suspension. It provides a good comfort for everyday use. I like that the suspension is adjustable, and of course the price. For the cons, it's a little bit heavy, and second is that it's only available in one length, which is 350mm. So far, I've really been enjoying this seat post, and I believe it's a great alternative for those that don't have an option of installing suspension on their bikes. It's also great for those that use their bikes for everyday commuting, as it provides relief from the daily bumps of the metro roads. So that's my short review of the Zoom suspension seat post. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.